Okay, uh, in this question we relate concentration with moles and stoichiometry. So lime scale can be removed from, for example, electric kettles by reacting with it with dilute acids such as ethanoic acid, which is present in vinegar. Calcium carbonate, ethanoic acid, calcium ethanoate plus carbon dioxide plus water. What mass of calcium carbonate can be removed by 50 centimeter cube? You know, centimeter cube mean volume is given. So 50 centimeter cube is given of a solution of ethanoic acid. So volume of ethanoic acid is given and has a concentration, and concentration of this same solution is given, that is 2 mole per dm cube. We identify concentration and volume by just checking their units, right? So here we have a unit of centimeter cube, here we have a unit of mole per dm cube. Now they are asking about what mass of calcium carbonate. So they are asking about mass. You just need to find what is the mass of calcium carbonate which can be removed by 50 centimeter cube of this ethanoic acid. Now you know you have a same step number one. If you want to use your equation mole to mole ratio, or if you use stoichiometry relationship, through one reactant you find another reactant, you have to convert anything which is given into moles. So here the given thing is ethanoic acid. You are provided by CH3COH volume and concentration. So through volume and concentration, you know, you already are familiar with this triangle. N is equal to C into V. So you just find the number of moles of ethanoic acid. How? Just put the values. Concentration is 2 and volume is 50. But 1 minute. Your concentration is given in mole per dm cube and your volume is given in centimeter cube. So in order to convert into dm cube, you just need to divide it with 1000, and now you get your number of moles of ethanoic acid. This is your step number 1. 2 into 50 divided by 100, and you will get the number of moles, that is 0.1. So this is your step number 1. Now step number 2. In step number 2, you will just bring out the reactants calcium carbonate and ethanoic acid with their number of moles of equation provided. So, you know, this part is little bit confusing. Students often forget and they bring out different things from the equation. So you just need to focus which quantity is given and which you need to find. So the quantity which is given here, number of moles of ethanoic acid, and what do you need to find? You need to find mass of calcium carbonate. But in step 2, you can only work with number of moles. Why? Because you are using equation. So 2 ratio 1, right? And through 2 ratio 1, this is equation ratios you put here. What about the number of moles which you find from 50 centimeter cube of ethanoic acid? That is 0.1 mole of ethanoic acid. Now you would be able to find the number of moles of calcium carbonate. So that is 0.05 moles. Now come to the third step. Now what is your third step? In third step, you will reach to the final answer, in which they are asking that you need to calculate the mass of calcium carbonate. So to find mass of calcium carbonate, you will use your mole triangle, where M is at the top, N is here, M molar mass is here. So you calculated the number of moles of calcium carbonate. Here 0.05, just put 0.05 here, but you need the MR of calcium carbonate. How can we get calcium carbonate MR? CaCO3 means we have their ARs, and we just need to put here 40 plus 12 plus 16 into 3, and we get the MR, that is 100 gram per mole. Now we have N into MR, so 0.05 multiplied by 100, and our answer is, we get the answer for this expression, that is, the mass of calcium carbonate required is 5 gram. I hope you are clear about this.